Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best clippers for barbers on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multipurpose Clipper Trimmer, Weave. Written before about how, in reporting stories on the best grooming tools for men, barbers sometimes tend to favor different brands than normal guys. A preference we've learned tends to stem from marketing more than anything else, because some brands are more commercial facing than others. So it didn't come as a surprise that this affordable gadget from Philips Norelco, whose beard trimmers and electric razors are also regular guy approved, is the one that came most recommended by Andis. Baragani, a senior food editor at Bon Appetit who, during the height of COVID, sometimes shared his self-administered quarantine haircuts on Instagram. Baragani, who generally keeps his hair on the shorter side, told us he's used this trimmer both to cut and style it for about 8 years now, praising its ability to get the job done as fast as possible, whether he's trimming hair, sideburns, or beard. The clipper comes with 3 beard trimming guards, a stubble trimming guard, and 3 hair cutting guards, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and 5/8 inch. Does the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 3000 keep the reputation of the brand? Can it fully fill all things they claim at such an inexpensive budget? Number 2. Wahl Color Pro Complete Hair Clipper Kit. For a more affordable option that will satisfy anyone in need of a quick cut before they can get to a proper stylist, 3 of our barbers recommend the Wahl Color Pro Clipper. Even though this clipper is on the cheaper end of Wahl's product line, Barber David Kim of Filthy Rich Barbershop in Woodside, Queens, says you're always going to get a professional product from the brand, and this one is no exception. Sposito says the Color Pro has a great guard setup, which takes the form of 13 guards, ranging from 1/16 inch to 1 inch, color-coded by length, hence the Color Pro name. The color-coded guards aren't the only thing that makes this clipper great for at-home cutters. It also comes with 2 combs and a pair of scissors, or pretty much everything you'd need to cut men's hair at home. Barber Ronald Lee King also likes the Color Pro, the first clipper he says he ever used, telling us that home use will deliver an almost professional cut without professional prices. Just like 99% of hair clippers, the Wahl Color Pro has a stainless steel cutting blade. The blade is self-sharpening, which eliminates the bother of getting them professionally sharpened. Use the supplied cleaning brush to remove any debris and then rinse the blade under the tap easy. Number 3. Andis Professional T-Outliner Beard/Hair Trimmer. They manufacture some of the best professional hair clippers for barbers you can currently buy. The T-Outliner is one of such offerings. It may be used for cutting both thick and thin hair. The name speaks for the design of the blade. The main aim is trimming outlines and getting that nice fade cut to stand out. The motor is housed within a well-contoured shape for easy grip. Unlike other designs, the body bulges out in the middle and then gets smaller towards the back with the corded end. The power switch is located at the top toward the back, which is surprisingly stylish. It is a dual-tone design with a silver body and brown power switch. The power cord offers an 8-foot allowance and includes a loop for hanging the clipper. This is the best professional hair trimmer, which makes it a favorite option for most barbers. The T-outline design guarantees a precise and close cut that is unmatched. The blade has a single-speed motor and runs fairly quiet with a low and consistent unmistakable hum. The blades cannot be adjusted. The only downside is that the blades get pretty hot if used for a long time. Pros: clean and precise cuts. Very smooth shave. Perfect for both thick and thin hair. Easy to hold for all angles. Cons: it may get hot during use. Number 4. Wahl Clipper Color Pro Haircutting Kit. The Wahl Color Pro Complete Hair Cutting Kit simplifies everything there is to do with DIY clipping, and that's mainly because of its color-coded guide combs that make it easy for you to remember your best length whenever you want to clip your hair. Color coding has been there for centuries as a simple way of remembering things, and that's why the move to use color coding was a genius one by Wahl, aside from the easy-to-remember color codes. There are a few more perks about using the Wahl Color Pro Complete Hair Cutting Kit. It has a smooth lever that simplifies the process of blending and fading. The Wahl Color Pro Complete Hair Cutting Kit clipper comes with superior and durable blades that make precise, clean, and stunning cuts. Also, this clipper has a very strong heavy-duty motor that's fast and efficient, hence, minimizing the chances of snags and pulls. It only costs less than $50. This means that it is one of the most affordable clippers on this list. Pros: color-coded for easy recollection, impressive self-sharpening blades, powerful motor, easy to use, control, and adjust, rich in accessories. Cons: poor quality guide combs. Number 5. SURKER Men's Cordless Hair Clipper. While the combination trimmer above is all Baragani needs to keep his already short hair neat. For guys who aren't as regular with maintenance, this clipper, made for cutting head hair, is what strategist senior writer Liza Corsillo used to trim her fiancé's curly, fast-growing hair during long pandemic barbershop closures. I like it because it's cordless, you can charge it with a USB cable, and it has a nice range of guards, she says, the latter detail being especially important to her as a first-timer who wanted a wide margin for error. The clipper comes with 8 guards and a lever that adjusts their positioning to provide a cutting range from just under 1/16 inch to just over 3/4 inch. Corsillo adds that the clipper is really precise, with a lever for blending that I've got better at using each time. It's also made from sturdy stuff. In the picture, it looks like it's plastic with a chrome plate, but it's actually steel throughout, she notes. It's down and these blades go as far up as they can. In this clipper position, you're getting a longer cut. If you push the lever up, you're closing the blades together, so now you're getting a shorter cut of the hair.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.